In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Viber chat history fast. Let's walk through a clear and simple way to view and back up your Viber messages so you can access your conversations when you need them, without digging around or risking losing important chats. First, open the Viber app on your device and make sure you're connected to the internet. This process relies on Viber being able to sync and, if you choose, back up your data. So a stable connection is important. Once the app is open, go to the main chat screen where you can see all your conversations. From here, you'll want to access the settings area. Look for the More or Menu option, usually found in the bottom or top corner of the screen, depending on your device. Tap that and then go into Settings. This is where Viber keeps all the options related to your account, privacy, and data. Inside Settings, find the section related to your account and backup. The exact wording can vary slightly between devices and app versions, but you're looking for something like Account, and then Viber Backup, or Backup. Open that backup section. This is the key place where you'll manage how your chat history is stored and how to get it quickly when you need it. Here, you should see an option to create a backup of your chat history. If you've never done this before, go ahead and start a backup now. Viber will usually connect to a cloud service linked to your device. Confirm the account you want to use, then begin the backup. The time this takes depends on how many messages and media files you have. So if you've got a lot of photos and videos, give it a little while to complete. Try to keep the app open and your device awake during this process. Once the backup is finished, your chat history is safely stored. This means that if you reinstall Viber, switch to a new device, or need to restore your messages, you'll be able to do it quickly. On a new or reset device, install Viber, log in with the same phone number, and when prompted, choose to restore from backup. Viber will pull your chat history down from the cloud and recreate your conversations, usually in just a few minutes. By using the built-in backup and restore tools in Viber, you can get your chat history fast. Keep your important conversations safe, and move between devices with confidence, without losing the messages that matter to you.